Just like junior devs, closures are hard to deal with. Let's make them simpler. First, let's talk about lexical scoping, which means that a variable inside a function belongs to that function and cannot be accessed from the outside. This scoping only works inside of a function and does not work with curly braces, so defining your variable inside an if statement still makes them global, which is why let and const were introduced. These keywords allow you to scope your variables within curly braces, so you no longer have to worry about leaked global state, and because of this, you should avoid using var wherever possible. A closure is just a function inside of another function. It makes heavy use of the previously mentioned scoping rules, which means that you can create your very own private variables with the use of just a function. But the use cases don't stop there. They're also useful as helper methods, for example when you want to change the styling of your elements. Now let's build on this closure idea and introduce private methods. We do this by defining our function inside of our function as usual, but then returning functions that make use of the private function. This means that the private function will not be accessible from the outside. However, we can still access our global functions as usual. Take great care when using closures, as each closure will define its own methods and classes, which can lead to lots of memory being used up. However, they still make up a great tool in your functional programming toolbox.